Didi, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Peppa Pig. You can ask your parents to download and print a free coloring page with animal. The link in the description under the video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel, Nanny Julie. In this lesson we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our Peppa has a head, a dress, an arms, a legs, a tail, an ears, a nose, an eyes, a mouth, and a blush. Now let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I'll start over here, right in the middle. Draw a U shape for head. U shape. Then let's draw a diagonal line over here. I start over here, come up and left, then curve down and connect with this line. Okay, that's right, keep on trying. Then let's draw the nose. I draw a backward C shape over here. Backward C shape. Then let's draw two dots. The first and the second. Now let's draw the eyes. Two big circles. The first and the second. Then let's draw another two circles inside these circles. The first and the second. You're doing great, I like your line. Then we're gonna draw the ears. Draw upside down U shape at the bottom of the head. The first and the second. Our Peppa has roses in her cheeks. Draw a circle inside the head, under the eye. Then let's draw the smile, an arc under the eyes, over here. Now let's draw the dress. Draw a line on the left side, under the head, and on the right side. These lines on the same level. Then let's connect them. Now let's draw the arms. Diagonal line on the left side, then two short lines over here, the first and the second. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. Diagonal line and two short lines over here. Then let's draw the legs. Two vertical lines on the left side and oval under this line. And the same thing on the right side. Two vertical lines and oval under this line. Now let's draw a tail. I'll start drawing a curve here, then upstairs, turn left, down and right. That's the way to go, you did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose pink for head, ears and legs. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Sometimes I color too fast, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Then I choose dark pink for blush, tracing and coloring inside, red for dress, now I choose black for shoes. Try to stay inside the lines. Wow, high five! You're doing great! You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you! Bye bye!